In this problem, we have to sort an array of integers based on their parity. Parity means even or odd parity. So first we have to arrange all the even numbers followed by all the odd numbers in the array. And this has been asked a few times in some of these companies. And it's an easy problem. So for example, if this is the input, the output should be 2, 4, then 3, 1. So here you see, first I have arranged all the even values, then all the odd values. And this order does not matter. So whether you write 2, 4, this region belongs to even. So in this region, you can arrange them in any order. So you can write 4, 2 also, this is also correct. Here also you can write 1, 3, this is also correct. So when you do normal sort, it will take n log n time. But we are not making use of the fact that we don't need to actually sort them. We just need to partition them. So if you have worked on a quick sort algorithm, there we partition the array into two parts. So we pick a pivot, and all the elements which are less than pivot, we throw it to this side. All the elements which are greater than or equal to this, we throw on the right side, so that this number is at the current position in the sorted array. So here we just need to do one pass of that. In quick sort, if we are dividing it properly, so in that case it takes n log n time, since after log n step this will be sorted each individual part. So first time it breaks into half and half, then 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So it will be after log n step this will complete. So that's why each step is taking O(n) time, and this will be repeated log n times. So here we have to repeat just one of these, that is O(n) time. So what we will do, we will start from left and we will also start from right. So it's one of the problems where we are having two pointers. So you can say two pointer problem. So this is L, this is R. So what is our goal? All the events would occur first. So we will check whether this is even. If this is even, then we don't need to worry. So before L, everything is in correct position. So if this is even, then it's already correct. So we are looking for the first odd from left side and first even from right side, and then we will swap them. So initially L and R are at 3 and 4. L is odd, R is even. So we swap them. So it becomes 4, 1, 2 remains, 3 comes here. Now L we will move here until we find another element which is odd. And R also we will decrement, L we will increment, R we will decrement until we find even. So R was here after swapping. So this is odd, so we will move R here. Now R comes here and it's even, and this is odd, so we stop and we swap them. Now these are swapped, so it's 4, 2 comes here, 1 goes here, and 3 remains here. Now L is here, R is here, but L is already even, so we will advance L. So L comes here. Now L and R are equal. So that means everything before left is even and everything after right is odd. This we are maintaining right from the beginning. First odd we encounter, we move it to the position of R, which will be the first even from right. So when this becomes equal, that means everything to the left of this is already even and everything to the right of this is already odd. So we are done. So we stop. So when these two pointers overlap, we stop. So how much time it will take? Clearly O of n, just one pass in total. Some part from left, some part from right. And we are doing it in place. That is, we are changing the original array itself. So we will not be using any extra memory. We will return the original array. If you are not allowed to modify it, then we can do it in separate array. So let's write the code for this. It should be very easy for you. And these are a few things which we will not make use of. It's given that numbers are positive, so that does not matter. And you can see that any order is fine, provided all the even occur first and then odd number occurs. L is 0, R is a dot size minus 1. So when L is pointing to even, then it's fine. We are looking for the first odd. So if L is less than R and AL modulo 2 is 0, we do L plus plus, and it will continue until either L reaches R or we found an odd value. Similarly for the other case, R minus minus, and then we are swapping these. So you can also use the inbuilt swap function. And we have to return a vector of int, so we will return A itself since we have modified it. And this solution is correct. Although you see that the order is changed here, 1 3 and here it's 3 1, it's fine. And the solution is accepted. So the same thing we will do in Java. I don't think here too much change is required in any of the languages. Its length and everything else remains same. And the Java solution is also accepted. Finally, let's do it in Python 3. Here we don't need even that. AL AR equal to AR and the Python solution is also accepted.